On the left hand side of your steering wheel, you could see two stalks. The bottom one below the signal indicator is the speed limiter. When you pull the stalk towards yourself, LIM sign turns on. Pull the stalk one more time towards yourself. This would then turn on MPH or KPH symbol. Now pull the stalk up. This would then show the speed limiter indicator as well as the exact speed. You could hold the stalk up or down to move the speed to your desired speed limit. However, it is still not activated as the indicator is still white. So to activate the speed limiter, pull the stalk one more time toward yourself. This would then turn the indicator into red and now it is activated. Now when you push the throttle, your car's speed won't pass this red indicator speed limit, no matter how hard you push the throttle. But it's not a cruise control. When you stop pushing the throttle, your speed would gradually decrease. Even though now the speed limit indicator is red, you could still adjust the speed limit by pulling the stalk up or down to increase or decrease the speed limit. And finally, you could also set the speed limiter by pressing in the set button. This would then set the speed limiter to the exact same speed of your speed dial at that moment. Now, to cancel the speed limiter, pull the stalk away from yourself once. This would then make the speed limit indicator white. Now, to cancel the LIM altogether, put the stalk all the way away from yourself.